can't even measure my waistline. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and this is tip number 7. Yeah, you heard it right. For our 7th tip, get hold of a special thing that you dearly love. Your favorite dress, your favorite pants, your favorite shirt, whatever favorite that you have, and use it as your baseline of your ideal figure. Yes, so this is yeah. Bakit naman kaya ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo is to get hold of a special clothing that you have, because compared to measuring your weight, measuring your waistline, or counting your calories, yung mindset natin, hey, those are just numbers. Just numbers. But when we talk about my favorite t-shirt, my favorite pants, my favorite dress that was given to me, it is very special that it hits you down to your soul. Guys, so once it doesn't fit you, surely, ba't hindi na siya nagkasya? Kailangan ko na talagang paniwang para makasulod na po sa ako na bayo. Right? So that's it for our tip number 7, and see you next week.
Mayo kayo nakakapit ka mo sa akong channel. Piano pang hinuhulat niyo? Pindutan ang subscribe button